Dear students, welcome to Well Defined Classes. Today we'll discuss a very interesting chapter, Class 8, a square and a cube. Okay, so let us start. Square, you know square, and you also know cube in class 7th. Okay, see. So what is square number? Simple. Square number क्या है? You know square, that means a square. This is a into a. Okay, square number क्या है? Square number comes from the area of a square. Okay, you know the square, area of a square. Let's side a. Okay, so area of square क्या है? A into a, side into side. This is a square. Clear? Okay, see, if the side is 2 unit, so area is 4 unit. Okay, if the side is 3 unit, the area is 9 unit. Okay, see, so 1, 4, 9, 16, all are the square number here. 1, this is 1 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4 square unit. One thing, you don't forget to write square. Okay, that means you know the side of a square equals to, let the side of a square equals to 4 centimeter. What? 4 centimeter. So area क्या है? Area equals to side into side. So side into side, this is 4 into 4. क्या है? 16 centimeter square. Okay, 16 centimeter square. Now notation for square. Okay, 1 into 1, this is 1 square. 2 into 2, this is 2 square. 3 into 3, this is 3 square. Similarly, to find 2.5 square, so a square of length 2.5 units. What's the area? Okay, so 2.5 into 2.5, simply 6.25 square units. Okay, so here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, here see 36, 49, 1, 4, 9, 16, all are these are the perfect square. Okay, so if you have given a question that 256, 290, 58, 82, which one is the perfect square? Perfect square. Okay, so your option should 256, 290, 58 and 80. So answer should 256. Why? You know 16 into 16 is 256. So 256 is a perfect square. But 290 ऐसे कुछ कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, दो नंबर. Similarly, two number, you have multiplied two numbers, same number, multiply two numbers, you got 290. Okay, no 58, no 82, so 256 is your answer. Clear? So definition, the square of a natural numbers are called perfect square. Clear? Next, and the unit digits of square number. Okay, see, 1 square क्या है? 1, so unit digit is 1. Similarly 2 square 4, this is unit digit 4. So 5 square 25 and the unit digit is 5. 6 square 36, unit digit is 6. Okay, 9 square 81 and its unit digit is 1. So see, the unit digit of a square can only be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. And yes, a square never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Square never ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8. Clear? Yes. Here 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. The unit digit of a square can only be. Okay. See, 16, 25, 49, 81 all are square. This 12, 23, 57, 68, this can't be square. Okay, so you have a question. If a number ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8, it is not a square. Okay, 2, 3, 7, 8, मान लो 58. Okay, is it a square number? No. Why? The unit place is 8. Similarly, see this 256, unit place 6 here, unit place 0, unit place 8, unit place 2. These are not the square number, perfect square. So 256 is a perfect square. See, 16 and 36 are square numbers. Why? These two numbers are end with 6. See, 16, 36. Okay, 6, unit place 6. So these are the perfect square. These are the perfect square. But a question, 26. Okay, 26 is a perfect square or not? Obviously no. Why? 26 किसी का भी 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 and 6 का स्क्वायर 36. Okay, so 26 is in between 25 and 26. So 26 is not a perfect square, but here the unit place is 6. According to the rule, जिसका unit place 6 है, so this is a perfect square. No, जिसका unit place 2, 3, 7 और 8 है, that is not a square. Okay, but unit place is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 है, तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है और भी नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? False. See, so unit digit can help us rule out non-square, but it can't confirm a square. Clear? Okay, next. See, 23, 47, 58, 132, 703. These all are not a perfect square. Why? The unit place is 3, unit place 7, unit place 8, here unit place 2 and unit place is 3. So 3, 7, 8, 2. So whose unit place contains this number? These are the not a perfect square. Okay. So next, see, patterns with unit digits. Okay, this is a very interesting thing, and mostly short questions are coming this chapter. Okay, 1 square क्या है? 1. This is end in 1. Similarly 9 square क्या है? 81. Okay, unit place C 1. 11 square, that is 121, unit place is 1. 19 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 361, unit place is also 1. 29 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 841, ends in unit place ends in 1. Okay, similarly you can, if you have a question 5439 square. Okay, so what's the unit place of this square? Unit place क्या है? Simply see, 5439. Okay, unit place 9, that means the square is ends in 1. Clear? Okay, if another question 59243856 square of this number क्या है? That is most probably it takes a lot time to find the square of this number. Okay, so if you have a question that the unit place contains क्या है? The square ends in 1. Why? The unit place should 1. Okay, so you just remember this. If a number ends in 1 or 9, its square ends in 1. Okay, similarly 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 6 का स्क्वायर 36, 14 का स्क्वायर 196. So all are ends with 6. Yes, so if a number ends in 4 or 6, if a number ends in 4 or 6, its square is ends with 6. Okay, for example 494, square of 494, the unit place should 6. Okay, so square of 30496, okay, the unit place should 6. Okay, so remember this, if a number ends in 4 and 6, the square end in 6, and if a number end in 1 and 9, its square end in 1. Clear? Okay, next question, if a number end with n zeros, its square ends with 2 n zeros. So that means 10 square क्या है? 100. 10 1 0, here 1 0 and its square should 2 0, and 100 square, that means 2 0 and with 4 0. Okay, so 3 0, 1000, that means 1 and 3 0, square is 6 0. So एक रूल आ गया. रूल क्या है? A square always has an even number of zeros are the. Okay, so just see 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, so how many zero are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Is it a perfect square? No. Why? Here 5 zeros are there. Okay, odd number of 0. So it is not a perfect square. So rule क्या है? A square is always has an even number of zeros at the end. Even number of zeros. See this figure. 10, 100, 20 square 400, 40 square 800. Okay, 4 0. Okay, so 8 double 0. Okay, we have 1 0 and the square should 2 0. We have 2 0, here the square should 4 0. Okay, so next, see, perfect square and odd number. Okay, see, 2 square minus 1 square क्या है? 2 square 4 and 1 square 1. So 4 minus 1 क्या है? 3. Similarly 3 square minus 2 square, 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4, this is 5. And similarly 4 square minus 3 square, this is 7. Similarly 5 square minus 4 square, this is 25 minus 16, this is 9. Okay, so we got, when we look at consecutive square numbers, we notice that the difference between them is always an odd number. Okay, if we subtract any two consecutive square numbers, the result should be an odd number. Okay, so 17 square minus 16 square, so the result is, so this is even or odd number. Why? You know, the difference between them is always odd number. The square of two consecutive number, this is 17 square minus 16 square, 17 and 16 are two consecutive number, and इसका स्क्वायर कर लो एंड उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, तो रिजल्ट कुछ भी आने दीजिए, so result should odd number. Okay, from this we observe that adding consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 gives consecutive square number. That means 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9. 9, that is 3 square. Clear? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, this is 16. So 4 ka square. So if you have given question 1 plus 2 plus, sorry, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21, result क्या है? Okay, in between 2 second, I just give you 2 seconds, find the result of this. Okay, can possible? Yes, possible, because if you know this thing, the sum of first n odd number is always n square. Sum of first n odd numbers is always n square. That means how many odd numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 odd numbers. So 11 odd numbers, that means 11 ka square, this is 121. So answer should 121. Okay, 2 seconds pe. Okay, see, if you have a question, find the sum of first 20 odd number, 20 odd number. Okay, sum of first 20 odd number, that means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 up to 20 tak, 1 3 2 3 4 5. So likewise 20, इसका sum क्या है? 20 का square, this is 400. Clear? Okay, so next, checking perfect square by subtracting odd number. Okay, checking perfect square by subtracting odd number. मान लो 25, चेक करना है 25 is a perfect square or not. 25 is a perfect square or not. You know 25 is equals to 5 into 5, 25. That means 5 का square है 25. So 25 is a perfect square. Okay, mathematically. So check करना है 25 is a perfect square or not by subtracting odd number. Subtracting odd number, that means first you subtract 25 minus 1, that is 24. Again subtract 24 minus 3. Next 1, next odd number क्या है? 3, that is 21. फिर 21 subtract करो किसके साथ? 5 के साथ. क्यों? 3 का नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर क्या है? 5. result should 16. Again 16 subtract with 7, that is 9. Again 9 subtract with 9. Why? 5 7, next odd number is 9, this is 0. So answer should 0. So 25 is a perfect square. Yes, to find 29 is a perfect square or not. So see, 29 minus 1, this is 28. Again 28 minus 3, this is 25. Okay, then 25 minus 5, this is 20. Then 20 minus 7, this is 13. Then 13 minus 9, this is 4. Then 4 minus 11, this is minus 7. So the answer didn't come with 0. So 29 is not a perfect square. Clear? Okay, see, a number is a perfect square only if you can subtract consecutive odd numbers from it and ends up at 0. Okay, so this is a perfect square. If you don't reach 0, it is not a perfect square. Okay, here you don't reach at 0, you reach at minus 7, so it is not a perfect square. 29. Clear? For example, 38 is a perfect square or not? See, 38 minus 1, 37. Again 37 minus 3, 34. 34 minus 5, 29. ऐसे continue कर लो. 29 minus 7, this is 22. Then 22 minus 9, this is 13. Then 13 minus 11, this is 2. Then 2 minus 13, okay, not 0. Okay, so 36 is not a perfect square. Clear? Okay, next, finding the next square using odd number. Okay, see, if you have given 35 square, this is 1 2 to 5. Find the square of 36. Okay, 36 ka square. So how to do? 36 into 36 कर लो, multiply. No, this is not a perfect Okay, so you have to find 36 square using 35 square. Okay, so 36 odd number क्या है? So if you have given 36 square, you have to find the odd number of 36. Okay, how many odd numbers of 36th odd number? 36th odd number क्या है? 2n minus 1. That means 2 into 36 minus 1. 71 is the 36th odd number. Okay, so 35 square plus 71. This is 1225 plus 71, 1296. So 36 square is 1296. Clear? Next. Similarly, find 106 square. If you have given 105 square equals to 112025. Okay, so find 106 square. So 106 odd number क्या है? 2n minus 1. This is 2 into 106 minus 1. This is 211. So 11025 plus 211. So result should 11236. This is the square of 106. Clear? If you have given 96 square, okay, find the 96 square. If you have given 95 square, 95 square क्या है? 9025. Okay, you have to find 96 square. So how to find 96th odd number क्या है? 2n minus 1 according to the formula 2 into 96 minus 1. Okay, 2 into 96 minus 1 क्या है? Sorry, minus 1. So this is 191. Okay, 191. So 191 है तो निकाल लो 9025 plus 191. The result is 96 square. Clear? Okay. Next, see numbers between two consecutive squares. That means 2 square and 3 squares. Okay, how many numbers are there in between 2 square and 3 square? 2 square क्या है? 4. 3 square क्या है? 9. 4 and 9. इसके बीच में क्या क्या है नंबर? 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many numbers are there? 4 number. Okay, similarly you have to find 4 square and 5 square. How many numbers are there? 16 and 25. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. How many numbers are there? 17 to 24. Okay, so this is how many numbers? 8 numbers are there. 16 and 25. इसके बीच में कितना नंबर है? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 number. Clear? So you have to find 95 square and 96 square. How many numbers are there in between 95 square and 96 square? Okay, so result should be in within 2 seconds. Fine. सो 95 स्क्वायर निकाल लो, 96 का स्क्वायर निकाल लो, इसके बीच में कितना नंबर है निकाल लो. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है 2 सेकंड में इसे कैलकुलेट करके. सो सी दिस रूल, द नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज बिटवीन n स्क्वायर एंड n plus 1 square is always 2n. Okay, so that means 95 square and 96 square, that means n है 95. Okay, so result should be 2n, that means 2 into 95. the answer should क्या है? 190. So 190 numbers are there in between 95 square and 96 square. Clear? And one question, you have to find 200 square and 201 square. इसके बीच में कितना नंबर्स है निकाल लो. How many numbers are there in between 200 square and 201 square? So here n is 200. Okay, 201 क्या है? n plus 1. Okay, 201. So you have to find the numbers in between 200 square and 201 square. So your formula should 2n, that means n है 200. So answer should 2 into 200, that is 400 numbers are in between 200 square and 201 square. Clear? Okay, so next class we should discuss perfect square and triangular number. Okay, thank you.